Our next Judges Spotlight Award from Reese Carter is Broodmother Skyfortress by Lamentations of the Flame Princess.
So Jeff couldn't be here tonight because he's doing an event for his daughter because he's an awesome dad, which is going to surprise about half the auditorium because we all thought Jeff was our dad. If you don't know who Jeff Reitz is, don't say anything right now. If you love Jeff Reitz, like that's the emotion you have when you hear his name, yell, "I love you, Jeff," right now. For all of you who don't know who he is, you're going to learn. Jeff has a speech, so I'll do it. I regret that I cannot be with you today to receive this honor personally, but please allow me a moment to acknowledge one of the people. First, let's thank the 167 Indiegogo backers who pledged over $7,000 for the book that did not yet exist. Your faith in me was quite touching, and I hope you're all pleased with the work you eventually received. Thank you as well, and all subsequent purchasers and reviewers of the work. Your response to Broodmother Skyfortress has been immensely gratifying. With regards to my co-conspirators and fellow mysteries, Broodmother wouldn't be what it is without the art of Ian McLean, the layout work of Alex Mayo, the cartography of Jez Gordon, the editing of Craig Judd, or the leadership of our publisher, James Raggi of Lamentations of the Flame Princess. Additionally, I'd like to thank Zach Smith, that's me, and his players for their feedback on the adventure, as well as for crashing the Skyfortress in the first playtest of the adventure. The readers of my blog, without whose encouragement, the back half of the book would have never happened, and on top of book printing for bringing the work into physical existence. Finally, I thank my wife and daughter for putting up with my nonsense, and ENnies judge Reese Carter, whose good taste in game products is clearly unimpeachable.